This is a really cool tarp setup. Guys, this is a DD 3x3 meter tarp set up as a forester's tent. Two different ways. And this is tarpology. Stay tuned. Yes guys, the forester's tent. Okay, there's a lot of different names for this, okay? And I first saw this, what I'm going to use, sorry, is I have my trusty DD 3x3 tarp. I have 4 pegs, okay? I have my ridge line set up with my prussics on it. Now, I first saw this on Endurance Room Survival YouTube channel, okay? So check his out. He uses a Russian Ratnik 2 shelter, I think it's called. I think, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move over to my ridge line and we'll get this set up, guys. This is a really cool tarp setup. It's a really good setup for bad weather especially, okay? And there's a couple of different variations and I'll run through them. Both simple. So I'm going to lay my tarp out with my center line of the tarp running with my ridge line. Okay, guys, I'm going to find my middle one and I'm going to clip one in from the end like this. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Now, of course the wind picked up. There hasn't been a breath of wind all day and the wind picks up when I'm doing my demonstration. Guys, I'm going to take 2 pegs. I'm going to peg this one out. I'm going to do the same on the other side.